Hello friends, today we are going to build a very basic AI agent using Langflow. So you can see my interface. Let's create a new flow. Here we will click on the blank flow because we are going to here create a very basic and from beginning. So let's do it. Our plan is to take input from the user. First the exam date, how many hours daily you are studying, then subjects and then topics. So these are the 4 inputs we are getting from the user, and then we will give them the study plan. So let's build it. As you can see, here is the interface of Langflow where you can very easily build your AI agent. First we have to take inputs from the user. So we will first create a node. Here we will use the text input. This will more appropriate. We need 4 inputs. One for exam date, then hours, then subjects, and for then topics. So let's take all 4 nodes. Let's reposition this and then we will rename these all. So our first node name will be exam date. The name of second node will be hours. And as like this, I will rename all the rest to nodes. First is subject, then topics. So here we will take a prompt template to process the inputs. Here you have to give the prompt. So I have already wrote all the prompts here. Yeah, this is all the process I have done here. I will attach this in the link. You can easily access this and use this to build your own AI agent. Here is the prompt. Let's take it, paste it here, then click on save. So as you can see, here we have 4 inputs. So we just connect all the nodes, exam date to exam date, and then now we will take the AI agent we are going to use. Here I am going to use the open router. You can use anyone like OpenAI or anything you want. So we just connect this to the open router, and here as you can see, here you have to give your API key and then provider and then model. So here I put my open router API key. Then you have to select your provider. I am here going to use the Mistral AI. You can see Mistral AI. Then select the model. Which model we are going to use? So here we are going to use Mistral 7 billion instruct. So here it is. Let's select. Yeah, our open router node is ready. So this will take the inputs from the user and then process this. But we have to import to another AI model to process them. First to generate the quiz, and another one is the flashcard generator. So let's create this. So first we will take another prompt. So let's import this and give the prompt. So here it is. This will generate our quizzes. So this needs the input topics. So let's give the topics into it. Here it is our topic. So let's connect the nodes. So let's rename this. We can rename this the quiz generator. Then we will need another LLM model. So we just can duplicate this, click here, then duplicate. We need another duplicate of this, so let's done here once. So put it here and just connect this nodes. Yeah, done. Then I will tell you why we create another LLM here. So we need to generate the flashcards. This will which will process the our inputs. So we need to import another prompt template. So let's put it here. Then let's rename this. This will be our flashcard generator prompt, and let's give the prompt. Yeah, here it is. So here we have this needs two inputs. One is subject and another is topic. So we have those two. So let's join subject here, and another one is topic. So let's connect this. Here it is. Yeah, done. You can position this properly for here. Yeah, I think it looks good. So then, as usual, connect the input. Yeah, it's okay. Then you can easily connect all the nodes. Then we will create another prompt template which will give prompt to display the outputs. So let's take the output prompt here. So as you can see, this is need the three inputs. First is quiz. So our quiz generator, this is our quiz generator. Let's connect this. So let's connect all the rest to nodes according to their names. So now to display this, we need a chart output. Yes, here it is. So let's move it to here. Yeah. Then just connect this nodes. Yeah. It's done. We can rename this. Let's rename this for this will be our output generator. Yeah, I think all done. Just give the inputs here, all the four inputs. So let's check it out. So to run this, we'll click on playground. So as you can see, let's run the flow. As you can see, this is our expected output. So you can also easily build as like this on yourself. Thank you all.